Hello everyone, this side Jigyanshu Sharma on behalf of TradeHull. Today I will show you how we will receive the last traded price of Perpetual future with the help of Binance. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers a variety of services like crypto to crypto trading and trading in Binance Coin. Now, it has officially registered with India's Finance Intelligence Unit that we have an opportunity to do trading in cryptocurrencies with the help of Binance platform. Once we log in into the Binance page, now we will go to the future sections. Here we having the multiple of perpetual futures. Here we can select the multiple perpetual futures. Here I am selecting the BTC USDT one to check the LTP. After I will show how we will receive this last traded price with the help of Python. This is my Python file in which I am importing the library Binance client in which we have to pass the user key and secret key for login into the Binance. Here I am having a future which name is BTC USDT. So I will show you how will receive the LTP for this future. I will run the program. Once the program is run, after that we will get the LTP instantly by changing the LTP on the blocker platform to our Python file. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.